Hey guys, so today I am going to be going to the salon to get a cut and color. So I'm going to get my locks layered, and yeah, I'm excited to see how it comes out. And I'll record a little bit on my phone while I'm there, and then I will come on here and talk about it. It's been 4 years since I've got my locks, so I wanted to change, and yeah, I think it's gonna be cute. All right, you guys, see you soon. Cut and color done. Now under the dryer, getting ready for a retwist. Alright guys, it is done. You'll be able to see it better when I go home and film, but yeah, I like it. Just lay it in the front. Hello loves, I just wanted to come on here and give an update on my hair. So today I got my hair colored and layered. I've been thinking about getting it layered for a while now, and I finally did it. So I'm excited with the new look. I think it'll look good curled or with, you know, bumped ends. I think it will look cute. But yeah, I've been thinking about it for a while, and I'm glad that I did it. So let's get right into the video. Layering my locks, of course I did it because I wanted a new look, but there's another reason too. I did have some breakage and some thinning from coloring my locks with lock extensions. So the ends of my lock extensions were a bit damaged. So I had already cut some of them out. Of course you could get lock repairs too, but I just cut them out and yeah, I ended up getting it layered anyway. And so when you get lock extensions and I had the color black, it was dyed black, it can be hard for the color to lift, and it can also damage the lock extension that way. Now there's a way for you to color it the right way. It's just that when I got them, I originally wanted to start with black locks, and then later on I wanted to color it. So if you think you might want to color your locks, I would suggest to get the type of lock extensions you can color. Usually you would have to get like blonde and then color it from there, so you don't have to bleach it. And yeah, so that's one thing. So I'm not advising you on whether to get color or not. If you have lock extensions, that's up to you, but I would say you should consider the risks and the damage that could come with it if you do have a dyed black color like I did. It could potentially damage your locks. Now I don't think I regret getting my hair colored with lock extensions. It might have been nicer if I would have waited until I cut it out, but I think the color really fits me, and eventually I am going to cut out my lock extensions completely anyway, so my locks will just be my natural hair, and I don't have much left anyway, so I'll probably do that within a few months or even a year. I don't know. I like to keep my locks long now. I'm loving the growth, so I don't know, I guess when it gets to the length that I'm comfortable with it being, then I will cut out my locks. Just for encouragement, this journey is all about learning and adjusting, and I'm excited for what's next. And let me know if you deal with any breakage or coloring struggles that you've experienced with your locks. I would love to hear your story. And you know, everybody's hair reacts to different things differently, so maybe you won't get as much damage as I did, or maybe it'll be the opposite, I don't know. But everybody's hair is different, and everybody has the right to choose what will they do with their hair. So yeah, this is my update. Of course, maybe at the beginning of this video I have clips of me at the hair salon and me leaving, and I really love the results of my layered locks, and I can't wait to try some new styles with this. And yeah, I will see you next time, my loves. Bye.
Black woman's hair.